Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set recurring meeting in Outlook. It's quite easy. Firstly, once you open Outlook, here in the home tab you will see the option new email. So once you open this drop down, here you have the option to set the appointment, and also you can access this option by going to this option calendar, and just right here you have the option new appointment. So just click on that, then this window will open, and just right here we're gonna firstly enter the title for this meeting. So it's up to you, whatever you wanna feel as a title you can go ahead with that. Once you do that, here you can set the start time for the meeting. So I'll just set it 8. Enter the end date, it would be 18. Then you can set the end time. So if you wanna hold a meeting for 1 hour 30 minutes, it's up to you. I'm gonna hold it for 1 hour just for the sake of this video. Then here if you check this option, they're gonna allow you to choose the time zone. Here on this drop down you have a lot of time zones. Whichever your time zone is, you can choose that. Once you do all these things, here you have the option at the last, which is make recurring, and this is the important option from where we're gonna like set the recurring meetings. So just click on this option and they'll give you this window, and just right here you need to choose the recurrence pattern. So if you wanna hold this meeting for every day, click on the option daily, and they'll allow you to hold this meeting every day without setting it for like all the time. Now also next you have the option for weekly. If you wanna hold this meeting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday every single week, you can choose that. Also you have the option for monthly. You can just choose the day when you wanna hold this meeting. Also you can like set all the things from here. Then you have the option for yearly. If you wanna hold this meeting every single year, you can choose the date and all that kind of stuff. But in my case I wanna set this pattern on weekly, cause in my case I wanna hold the meeting for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday. Once you do this, next option you have is by the name of range of recurrence. So here they'll allow you to choose the range of recurrence, basically like when this program going to be end. So in my case I wanna repeat these things for like 6 months, so I can just choose that. Let's say it should start from 18th of August and should end on something like December 18. I can just select the year, something like this, and should end on 18th of December. Now I can just click on OK. Also if you notice that there is the option called no end date. So if you click on this option, you don't need to fill this information, cause every single week they're gonna hold forever. So it's up to you, whatever you like you can choose that, as I said. So I'm satisfied with all of these things. I can just click on OK, then click on this option save and close. And yeah, you can see that they have automatically set the meetings on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday for like till the December, as I selected there. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can set recurring meetings in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.